All right, I want to make this video long, so let me turn the camera around and show you what's going on here. Okay, what I want to show you on this particular engine in this particular case is we have a coolant leak also going along with this oil filter adapter housing. There's a cooler inside of it that antifreeze travels through, and if the internals construction inside of this oil cooler collapse or come apart, you will essentially get this. So you got to be extremely careful when dealing with these things. That's why it's not really advisable to repair these, because the early built model oil filter adapter housing was not made very well from the start. So the best bet is simply, you see all that? That's water inside the oil. That would fool you and trick you into thinking you have a blown head gasket. Now, along with that, you need to check the entire cooling system. So what I'm going to do right now is remove the thermostat housing. And as you can see, when I remove this housing, this coolant oil mixture has traveled throughout the cooling system, people. Look at that. Milkshake. Look like milkshake. Not good at all. So that's why when you get a first sign of your oil filter adapter housing leaking, you should go ahead and replace it right away before this happens. Okay, that is a warning. If it's leaking, replace it. Do not try to repair it. It was built poor quality. Okay, now I'm gonna have to try to clean this out with my suction machine right here. You're essentially gonna have to suck all that oil out of the intake area, all that bad mixture out of there. It will clog up your system, but you have to get out as much as possible. Now, I'm not done checking the cooling system. I also need to remove the lower radiator hose at the water pump, because chances are it has traveled through that, as you can see on the radiator cap. I got this same oil coolant mixture inside the coolant reservoir. So one more check. Let's check at the water pump area. And what do we have here? More coolant and oil mixture. Not good, people. So this thing was essentially going to need at least 3 coolant flushes. We're going to have to try to get all of that out of there. A simple coolant flush will not cut it. You're going to have to do a major coolant flush. I had to do it 3-4 times coolant flush on this particular car. Like I say, the first sign of oil leak, go ahead and replace that oil filter adapter housing. Well, that's all I have on this particular video. So thanks for watching, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next video.